Hello, my name is John Lander. I'm from England, but now reside in Portugal, in the Algarve, and decided that my knee needed doing, and it was too expensive on the Algarve to have done, and came up with to come to Lithuania. It's been a fantastic experience, not knowing what I would actually expect. The clinic has been really, really good. The feedback that I got to start with before I came to the clinic was excellent. They got back to me with every question I asked. I've already had one knee done, so I knew what it was about, and this time I've only had a partial knee replacement, not a full knee replacement. The staff here are absolutely fantastic. They make the effort to speak English, which I come and live in Portugal, and the Portuguese do not try that. If we don't speak in Portuguese to them, they will not speak back to you in English. The food is very good. The staff, when I came onto the ward for the initial thing, they were fantastic. The physio came to see me. The physio was actually in the operation to see what was being done, so that he knew exactly what they'd done. And the consultant has been absolutely great. He's come to see me nearly every day to find out, how I'm going on, what it feels like, and the pain that you get. And the rest of the staff, the nursing staff, are really good. If I've got a lot of pain, they will give me an injection and really look after me. The physio side of it, it's hard, very hard. I'm very strong, so I can do that. The experience is brilliant. Anybody looking to come to have this done, I would definitely say yes, come. Definitely have the physio, because that makes a huge difference. My legs now are so strong against when I actually got here. Even my left leg, which was operated on 2.5 years ago, is a lot stronger now. So hopefully in the next few weeks I'll be able to walk a lot better than I have done in the past, and take my dog out for a walk, which I've not been able to do.